Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will talk about reshaping tools of Adobe Illustrator. Reshaping tools like Rotate Tool, Reflect Tool, Scale Tool, Shear Tool, Reshape Tool, Free Transform Tool, Blend Tool, Width Tool. Now, we will discuss about Rotate Tool. This tool is used to rotate object around a fixed point. Reflect Tool. This tool is used to flip object over a fixed axis. This is a symbol of Reflect Tool. Scale Tool. This tool is used to resize a object around fixed point. This is a symbol of Scale Tool. Shear Tool. Shear Tool. This tool is Shear Tool. This tool is used to skew object around a fixed point. This is a symbol of Shear Tool. Reshape Tools. This tool is used to anchor selected anchor point while keeping the overall detail of a path intact. This is a symbol of Reshape Tools. Free Transform Tool. This tool is used to scale, rotate or skew a selection. Here is the symbol of Free Transform Tool. Blend Tool. This tool is used to create series of objects blended between the color and shape of multiple objects. This is a tool of Blend Tool. Width Tool. This tool is used to create stroke with variable width. Here we can see the tool of Width Tool. Thank you.